Sound issues in your virtualized Ubuntu environment are a common inconvenience, but the solution is usually within reach. Let's start with the virtual machine settings in your virtualization software VirtualBox, VMware, etc. Locate your specific Ubuntu virtual machine, then access its settings, typically within the application's controls inside. There should be a sound or audio section. It's important to ensure the audio options, such as sound card and host device selection, are set correctly and enabled. In the sound settings, configure the sound card. The host audio driver should be set properly. Often the default will work. Also verify the setting to designate the host sound driver or an emulated sound card and select the appropriate one for your setup critically. Make sure the audio output is enabled and finalize by clicking Apply or OK to save. Now, boot up your virtualized Ubuntu. Then open the sound settings from within Ubuntu itself. These can usually be accessed from the system tray, indicated by a sound icon. Click to open the settings. Once open, verify the volume isn't muted and that the output device is accurately identified. It should list your virtual sound device if all is well. Otherwise, additional sound driver troubleshooting is needed. Be sure to check the drop-down menu within the sound settings. It should list your sound card, so confirm your desired output is selected. Rebooting your Ubuntu virtual machine after changing settings frequently resolves issues, allowing the updates to fully integrate into the system. If issues remain, consider updating your virtual machine tools. You should now have functioning sound within your virtualized Ubuntu.